Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to save an image from Chrome on PC. We start by opening Chrome and perform a search. After that, we enter the images category. Next, we will click on the image we want. Keep in mind that images may contain copyrights and you should check them. Now we right-click on the image that has been opened and choose Save Image as to store it on our computer. Finally, we will have been able to save an image from Chrome on our PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.